Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by my good buddy Kyle. Kyle, thank you so much for sending this. I gotta admit, I cannot remember what the heck it is that you sent me. But we'll find out. You guys already know, you've seen the thumbnail. Thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some of these cool stickers and some other benefits, there's of course a link down in the description. The support mean the world to me, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this box. I am very curious to find out what Kyle sent. If you are new to the channel, or you've never heard me say that name before, Kyle has sent a lot of different things to the channel. He always sends interesting stuff. So, of course, I am very intrigued. Oh, okay. Is this the, okay, so this is the baton. I always forget, is it S2R, SR2? In any case, so this is not a new flashlight. And by the way, guys, I'm not a flashlight professional. I'm not a flashlight channel. I'm just dipping my toes into this. And there were a few of you who expressed interest in me giving my thoughts as a new person, or from the perspective of a new person, on certain flashlights. I gotta admit, this was a light that I almost bought multiple times. So when this came out, it they had different themes, I guess. Summer, winter, fall, and spring. And each one had a different shell and contrasting colors, and then a different tint. This has a different interface. Oh, it does have ramping though. Oh, but that does something different. So now I'm used to the Onduril user interface. How do you go back down? Okay, so touching the button and holding it down does different things, but this is one of those that you can actually clip to the bill of your hat. So that's neat. That's not something I've experienced yet. I definitely like this sort of frag texturing right here. I like how the whole thing looks. I guess, it's got a magnetic charging. I wonder, is the tail cap magnetic? Let's try sticking it to, yeah, okay, so that's cool. That's interesting. If you've never, apparently this was a super popular flashlight for a long time, and a lot of new stuff has come out since this guy, but you know, me being somebody who's found that they have not needed more than 300 lumens in any EDC scenario, a lot of you guys know that, I mean, this is my current flashlight, and this guy's super powerful, but I mean, right off the bat, I can tell you this is plenty bright enough. I keep wanting to hit it back here. This is plenty bright enough to, you know, make it possible to see whatever it is that I'm trying to look for, you know, for whatever I'm trying to use it for, right? I mean, this is more power than I will ever need. So if you like how this looks, then yeah, these are still available. I'll provide links down below where you can pick this up. In fact, I'll try to provide multiple sources in case you're looking for a specific variant. But this is cool. And I mean, he offered to send this just as a you know, something to take a look at to help with flashlight content, which is periodically going to be something that I show on the channel. But, you know, for anybody wondering, I'm not going to jump into this as hardcore as I do with folding knives. I just know that there are a bunch of you who are interested in both knives and flashlights. And so I'm going to kind of speckle in some light content here and there, but it will not be anything ultra comprehensive. I do like the contrast between that blue and I guess we call this the bezel. Oh, how cringy. He's going to talk about flashlights and doesn't know the terminologies. Oh, does it say, oh, it's up to 1,000 lumens. And then this one has the 6500K, which that's actually the tint that I like. Show it against the FW3 T. So there is, I don't know if we call that I mean, there's a difference in the color, right? So this is mine and this is the Olight, but they look a little bit different. But I mean, that's the thing, is I don't know what the heck I'm looking at here. The tint seems to be a little bit different, but you know, okay. But yeah, you know, this is it certainly is something that is interesting to me, and I need to start somewhere. I might as well, you know, record my thoughts and my you know, the whole process as I go along, right? You guys can follow along if you want to, and if you don't want to, there's always going to be plenty of knife content on this channel. In fact, this channel will always remain to be 95% knife related. I'm starting to come around to the idea of having the button right here. At first, I liked the idea just aesthetically of the button being back here, the tail switch, right? But just holding this, I realize, yeah, I kind of like that. I got a bunch of lights ordered that are coming in, and half of them have them on the tail switch and half of them have them on the side. So I guess we'll see. But anyways, I don't know that there's really a whole lot more I can say. It'll probably take me a while to get a video up on this guy, but in any case, Kyle, I very much appreciate you sending this guy my way so that I could play with it. Like I said, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that metal complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.